Hi guys, in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily set a live wallpaper like this on your Android phone. It doesn't matter that which Android phone do you have, you can set it up on any Android device, and wherever you will touch on your home screen, a sparkling light will appear at that point, and it will shine and glow. That looks so beautiful and relaxing. So you can swipe on your whole like this in circles and anywhere. So let's get started without wasting any time. All you'll have to do is to download an application from Play Store. That will be free of ads, and it will be all free. You'll have to go to the Play Store, and you will have to download this application known as Magic Floors Light Float Sim. Once you have downloaded it, you can simply open it, and a page like this will appear in front of you, and you can tap on three lines on the bottom right, and then click on set as live wallpaper and click on yes, and click on apply, and you can set it up for both lock screen and home screen. I will set it to the desktop and then go back, and you can see wherever uh, where wherever I am swiping, a sparkling light appears like this. For example, in straight lines and in circles. So that looks so beautiful. So if you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button for more upcoming tutorials. You can do this in 2024. So thank you.